Hello everybody and welcome to Sing with Carnegie Hall. My name is Emily and I'm really excited to sing with you today. Let's get started with a nice big warm-up and you can grab your grown-ups and see if they want to sing too. And reach up to the sky. Good. Let out a big sigh. Give a little wiggle and fly, fly, fly. Whoosh. Take a deep breath. And say hi. Yeah, it's so nice to see you today. Well, today we're going to sing about one of my favorite things, which is nature. Did you know that nature makes music? Nature has sounds that inspire us to make music, and nature has its own music. I have something that I think makes music. It's a conch shell, and when you put your ear up to it, you can hear the sound of the ocean, some people say. Do you want to try it? Yeah, maybe you can hear the sound of the waves and the ocean inside of it. It's really fun to listen to the sounds of nature. So, I have a song that's going to let us do that. It goes like this, and you can join me. Listen to the water, rolling down the river. Sing with me. Listen to the water, rolling down the river. I heard some birds by the waterside. I heard some birds by the waterside. Oh, by the waterside. Oh, by the waterside. What else do you hear? Listen to the water, rolling down the river. Listen to the water, rolling down the river. You can go out in nature and hear all kinds of things. What would you hear by the water? Maybe other birds, fish, maybe a boat going by, maybe even the sound of the twinkling stars. Well, I'm going to introduce you to my friend Eleni, and she's going to tell us all about the sounds and the sights of nature and sing with us. Eleni! Do you want to see if you can listen into my conch shell and hear the ocean?
Wow, I can really hear the ocean. Hi, Emily. Hi, everybody. Thank you for having me here today. I'm really excited to be here and sing some songs for you. The first one I'm going to sing is a song called Ένα αστεράκι, which means a little star. It's from Greece, where I'm from, and it's a song that my mother used to sing to me every night when I was young. Can you all make some little glittery stars with your fingers? Just like this. Beautiful. Now, you can slowly start spreading them up to the sky. I'm going to sing the song for you now. And just keep spreading them up like that. Ένα αστεράκι βλέπω ψηλά στον ουρανό. Μου γνέφει καλή νύχτα και ύπνο ελαφρό. Σε ευχαριστώ Θεέ μου για όλα τα καλά που σκόρπισες μ' αγάπη για όλα τα παιδιά. Ένα αστεράκι βλέπω ψηλά στον ουρανό. Μου γνέφει καλή νύχτα και ύπνο ελαφρό. Σε ευχαριστώ Θεέ μου για όλα τα καλά που σκόρπισες μ' αγάπη για όλα τα παιδιά. Beautiful. That was so beautiful. And now I have a little surprise. I love the sun. And I wrote a little new part just for you today. And now, while I sing that part, I just want you to make this big shape of the sun with me. Can you do that? Like this. And make a sound with it. Let's try it again. Let's do it. Μια καινούρια μέρα θα μας ξημερώσει και ο ήλιος θα ανέβει να να μας γλυκό ξυπνήσει. Back those little stars. And now this time, sing na 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 with me, can you? Let's do it. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Good night. Say kalinichta, which means good night in Greek. Kalinichta. Da-da-da-do. Beautiful. Thank you for making those stars with me, making the big shape of the beautiful sun with me, and singing with me. I have one more song to share with you today, and it's called Ήτανε ένα μικρό καράβι, which in Greek, again, means there was a little boat. Now that little boat has never gone on a trip before. It's going to go on its first journey to the Mediterranean Sea. Can you all make little boats with your hands? Just like that. Yeah. Now sometimes it's going to go through really calm waters, and sometimes it's going to rock a little bit like ha ha ha, ha ha ha. And sometimes a big wave is going to come along and you're going to go oh eh oh eh oh eh oh eh, back to the calm waters. So can you keep sailing your little boats while I sing along? Okay. Ήταν ένα μικρό καράβι, ήταν ένα μικρό καράβι που ήταν αταξίδευτο, που ήταν αταξίδευτο, ωε, 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 ωε. Beautiful. Και κάνε ένα μικρό ταξίδι, και κάνε ένα μικρό ταξίδι μέσα στη Μεσογείο, μέσα στη Μεσογείο, ωε, 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 ωε. Και σε 5-6 εβδομάδες, και σε 5-6 εβδομάδες σώθηκαν όλες οι τροφές, σώθηκαν όλες οι τροφές, ωε, 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 ωε. Ήταν ένα μικρό καράβι, ήταν ένα μικρό καράβι που ήταν αταξίδευτο, που ήταν αταξίδευτο, ωε, 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 ωε. Ήταν ένα μικρό καράβι, ήταν ένα μικρό καράβι που ήταν αταξίδευτο, που ήταν αταξίδευτο, ωε, 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 ωε. Beautiful! Thank you for sailing through the waves with me and exploring nature together. Bye!
Eleni, that was so much fun. I couldn't help myself. I had to join you on that song. Well, everybody, do you realize how many different things we did today? We sang with Eleni on Oe, 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 Oe. We took our boats all over the world. Before that, we sang about the sun and about the asteraki in the sky. And I almost fell asleep, but I didn't. Before that, we sang about listening to the water and hearing all the sounds that you might hear when you go out and hear nature, including the sound of the conch shell. So the next time you go outside, maybe you'll hear some new sounds in nature and you get to make music with them. Let's end the way we started. And reach up to the sky. Yeah. Let out a big sigh. Give a little wiggle and fly, fly, fly like a bird so high. Take a deep breath and say goodbye.